Hello students, how are you? I think all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Okay students, before going to my class, I want to introduce myself. This is Kakuli Akhtar, lecturer in English, Alamin Islamia Fazil Madrasa, Bonorupa Rangamati. This class is for class 9, 10. Okay, dear students, I am showing you a picture. At first, you try to guess what I will show you. Students, you will guess yourself what I show for you. I think all of you guess yourself that a pound of fish. Okay students, it's our today's lesson, unit 14, lesson 9. Learning outcomes. After starting this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand the text through silent reading, tell the story. Dear students, I am showing you a picture. Do you know them? Antonio, Shylock and Bassanio. And Portia. Portia, the princess of Belmont. She was a wealthy lady and attractive also. Portia was known not only for her beauty but also for her wisdom. What do you see in the picture, dear students? I think you guys, this is Shylock, a money lender. He used to lend money with high interest. Shylock was a very crooked man. Antonio and Bassanio, intimate friends. Antonio was a rich merchant. He had many ships that sailed in the sea and carried goods in different countries. He was a good and kind man. He always helped the poor. The people of Venice loved him very much for his honesty and kindness. On the other side, Bassanio was a handsome young man and born in a noble family. He liked to live a very luxurious life. He spent more money than his earning. Antonio helped people with money without interest. Let us know some new words to have clear idea about the topics. Merchandise. Business materials, daily using items. Antonio's ships carried different types of merchandise to the other countries. Spices. Cooking materials, flavors. Spices make foods tasty. Luxurious. Deluxe, expensive, lavish, high status. Bassanio was in the habit of leading a luxurious life. Grand manner. Royal dressed, luxurious style, view of prince. Bassanio visited Portia in a grand manner. Venetian currency, ducats. Money is called ducats in Venetian currency in Venice, Italy. Croaked. Cruel, hypocritical, tortuous. Shylock was a crooked moneylender. Debtor. Borrower, defaulter, non-payer. Antony was a debtor to Shylock. Penalty. Punishment, guilt. Shylock claimed a pound of flesh as a penalty to Antonio. Okay students, I am showing you another picture. What do you see in the picture? I think all of you guess that it's a very nice picture, a nice city also. You see another picture, Venice, Italy. Shylock, Antonio and Bassanio lived in this city. I am showing another picture, Belmont. Portia lived in Belmont because it was her birthplace. I am showing another picture, Bassanio and Portia. Bassanio and Portia loved each other very much. Bassanio wanted to visit Portia in a grand manner, but he did not have enough money, so he went to Antonio. Dear Bassanio, Bassanio said, Dear friends Antonio, I am in great need of some money. I would like to visit Portia at Belmont, grandly dressed and with many servants. But I don't have any money right now. Please help me to fulfill my intention. Shylock agreed to lend him money, but on one condition. If he failed to repay the money in 3 months' time, then he has to pay a penalty. Shylock would cut a pound of flesh from any part of Antonio's body. Dear students, open your textbook at page 176 and read section B to answer the question below the text. I will help you to complete it. If you fail to complete it, I will help you in your next class. Once upon a time in Venice, there was a very rich merchant named Antonio. He had many ships that sailed in the sea. You must complete by using 100 words. It so happened that Bassanio fell in love with a wealthy lady named Portia. Portia was known not only for her beauty but also for her wisdom. Portia, on the other hand, had softness towards Bassanio too. Okay, dear students, if you feel any problem, I will solve you in your next class. Take care of your health and stay home safe and sound, and must maintain social distance. May Allah bless you.